coach, I think it's 2 point miss here based on they give it up very late in this game.
Well, as I said, in terms of the time that we gave up the equalizing goal, it would be considered 2 point miss. But if you look at the run of play, especially in the second half, I think Molynes played a decent second half, and both teams basically cancelled each other with some good football today.
What are you feeling about your team now, Fabi? I've been now, 10, 11 games. How do you feel about that stretch and the fact that you're getting wins, getting goals and playing good offensive football?
I feel very good about it. I mean, that is testament of the work that we have been doing at Portmore. If you look at the squad, it's a very young squad, and the starting team have a lot of youngsters in it. So to be amongst teams such as Molynes Utd and the other teams, and exchanging blows with them, keeping stride with them, I mean, we are doing well there, both the players and the coaching staff.
Certainly, I'd love to stay a bit closer to Cavani regular coach. Find to keep you a little bit off the pace. Any disappointment in that?
Yeah, any game that you leave without winning, you must feel disappointed because there are 3 points here to have been gathered. But I mean, looking at the game, I think the result was fair. Both teams play well. Just unfortunate that in the first half we didn't make better decision making in the final third and take the chances that we had. And that gave Molynes some amount of confidence going into the second half. And they came out and they played a pretty good game. And I mean, we played well also. And it was a good game of football right around.
Who you playing with? You want that 3 points?
I mean, we are at the stage of the competition where gathering enough points is very important, jockeying for the best spot in the top 6. So definitely we'll be planning and scheming to get all 3 points when we play.